Hi, it's Juliette from My City Plants. In this video, I will tell you all about Lechuza self-watering Classico Premium LS 21 planter, and we'll explain how the self-watering feature works. I have found My City Plants more than 8 years ago, and all this time we've been working with Lechuza self-watering planters. We have greened up thousands of homes and offices. We have also provided a professional plant maintenance service to our commercial clients, so I know firsthand how practical these planters are and how well plants grow in them. All Lechuza planters are made in Germany. Watering frequency 3 times less compared to standard pot. We can travel worry-free up to 3 weeks, and there is no need to look for a plant sitter. Planters have built-in smart sub-irrigation system. It is well sealed, so there is no need for saucer or extra surface protection. Your rugs and furniture are safe. Sub-irrigation system creates perfect environment for plants by providing drainage, keeping the moisture levels even, allowing the oxygen to get to the roots, and putting the plant in total control of how much water it wants to drink. Planters are made with the highest quality 100% recyclable plastic. They are lightweight and shatterproof. This elegant style of Lechuza planters make them a perfect fit for modern interiors. Lechuza Classico Premium LS21 self-watering planter is 9 inch in diameter and 8 inch in height. It is best for 5 to 6 inch plants. Right here I have some of 6 inch plants that we use for our Classico arrangement. Here you can see jade plant in 6 inch pot, and here I have aglonema. It's the same size of planter, 6 inches, just a taller planter. So this is the size of the plants you need for this size of the planter. Planters are available in different colors. Here I have white color, red color, and charcoal metallic color. White and red colors have a high gloss finish, and charcoal metallic color has a matte finish. Classico 21 planter is a great fit for side tables, wide window ledges, or shelves. It also looks great as a centerpiece on a dining table or as a set on your floor display if you're grouping different sizes of plants together. Planter comes with sub-irrigation set and detailed potting and assembly and watering instructions. The sub-irrigation set consists of inner pot, water level indicator holder, water level indicator, and a special subtract called pon. Pon is a mineral-based subtract that goes at the bottom of the inner pot before you pot your plant in it. It works as a buffer between the water and the soil. It absorbs the moisture from the water reservoir and then slowly releases it to the plant. It also filters heavy metals from the water. The sub-irrigation set, the inner pot, goes inside the cover, and the cover works as a water reservoir. In this particular model, it's very easy to access the water reservoir, so if you overwatered or watered your plant too soon or used too much water, you can easily remove the inner pot and empty the excess water. So how the self-watering feature works? For the first 3 months, we need to water our plants through the soil. We need to provide enough time for the plant's roots to grow and adapt to its new pot. Make sure to test the soil before watering. If the soil is dry enough, and only if it's dry enough, you can water the plant through the soil with approximately 20 ounces of water. After 3 months, the self-watering feature can be used. When the soil is dry enough and your plant is ready for a drink, you're going to water your plant by pouring water directly into the reservoir, and you will pour the water until the red stick reaches maximum mark. Now we'll wait for the plant to drink all the water. When the red stick is back down to minimum mark, do not refill the reservoir right away. It only shows us that the reservoir is empty, but the soil is still moist. Continue testing the soil once every 7 to 10 days and refill the reservoir only when the soil is dry, and make sure plant is ready for a drink. Continue testing the soil on average once every 7 to 10 days and refill the reservoir only when the soil is dry enough. Watering frequency varies depending on the light exposure, indoor temperatures, plant type, air circulation, and humidity. By testing the soil regularly, you will be able to understand your plant needs and as a result, give it best care. To test the soil, I personally use and strongly recommend using soil moisture meter. This tool will help you to establish a proper watering routine and avoid over and under watering. It can be purchased in our online shop. It comes with a detailed chart of recommended moisture levels for different plant types. Lechuza Classico 21 planter is great for your small plants, and it will not only make your plants happy, it also will make your care routine simpler. Thank you for watching and have a green day!